Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to talk to you quickly about something that you might remember from first grade, something a lot of teachers like to call the five-finger rule. If we look down at the bottom of this anchor chart, we're going to start there. You can use this strategy to help you decide if a book is just right for you. And we'll talk more about just right books. But for now, let's just talk about the five-finger rule. Again, let's put our eyes down at the bottom of the page where we see this fancy star that is called an asterisk. I'm going to read this to you at the very bottom of the screen because that's where the directions are here on this anchor chart. So please follow along while I read, starting with the word open. Open a book to any page. Start reading. Hold up a finger every time you see a word you do not know. So, boys and girls, when you're trying to find a book that is just right for you, not too hard, not too easy, but just right, open it up to any page and read in your head or out loud if you're home and see if you can keep track using your fingers of all of the words that you don't know, words that you have a hard time figuring out what they are. So each time you come across a word you don't know, you put up a finger and you'll keep track by using your fingers. Well, that doesn't sound too hard now, does it? But we haven't yet explained to you how that means the book is just right or too easy or too hard. So if you've read a page or two or three, depending on how much text is on each page, and you only have one finger up of one word that you had trouble with, that book is too easy. Same thing if you never held up any fingers, you didn't have any trouble with words, that book is too easy for you. If you had two or three words, you held up two or three fingers for words that you had trouble figuring out or words you did not know, boys and girls, that's a just right book. If you had four fingers up, it's okay to give it a try. You might have to abandon the book later, but you might be able to work through it. If you put up five fingers or more, boys and girls, put that book back because that book is too hard for you right now. Maybe you can get there later on. So what we're focusing on here is the bold print, basically in the middle of our anchor chart. We are looking for you to find books where you have two or three words that you do not know. So you're challenging yourself to use your strategies and try to figure it out along the way. Less than that, that book is too easy for you. And much more than that, that book is too hard for you. So the five-finger rule is a good little trick to try to help you figure out how to find just right books when either you're not sure of your level or you're not sure of the level of the book. So boys and girls, take out a book, give it a try. See if you can keep track of how many words you do not know using your very own fingers, and then revisit this anchor chart to determine if the book is too hard, too easy, or just right. Good luck.